Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on Volkswagen Tiguan, and what we'll be doing here guys, it should relate to the whole generation from year 2007 to year 2017 guys. We'll show you where you can expect to find your Purge Control Valve. This Purge Control Valve is a very important component guys of the emission systems. Okay, what the Purge Control Valve does, stay with us, we're going to explain, and we'll explain where it's located. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, we make at least 200 free repair videos guys, and on Volkswagen Tiguan we will have more than 300 free repair videos on our channels guys. We'll be taking completely apart and we'll show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Simply guys, because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information. Now if you guys need to buy a new Purge valve, any tools or parts for your Volkswagen Tiguan, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get our parts from. I will go ahead, open the hood guys, and we're going to start on that now. If you have any questions, just let me know. That's how we get ideas about our videos, and that way we'll try to make a video for your problem and help other people as well. This is it guys, this is a 2.0 TSI gasoline engine, 2-liter gasoline engine guys. And before we start, okay, let me introduce you guys to our channels. Auto Repair guys, that's where you're going to find most of the information about that Tiguan. We'll have all the repair videos on that Auto Repair guys. Currently you're watching right now World Mechanics. That's where we share more of an informational channel guys. We teach you where the components are located and how your car works. Now, if you guys have problems with engine light, airbag light, you need to find certain fuses or relays, they will be on this third channel, so check it out guys. Those are our channels, and we're adding content daily guys, so we can help you as much as we can. So, looking at the engine now guys, with the hood open, okay, you can see engine is everything is super easy to reach on that Tiguan, at least most of the components, and that's what I like about it, it's easy to work on. And if you look at it guys, okay, that device right here, this is guys your purge valve, but let me explain what it does quick guys. Okay, this is your purge control valve. As you can see guys, okay, going this way, this is the line that goes, okay, to right here, and this is the gasoline line for the where the engine gets gasoline, and the other line is coming from the same location. What that means, it means that this line, the purge control valve line, actually comes from the fuel tank. Why you have a purge control valve? Simply because the fuel in the fuel tank guys will build fumes, vapors, and those vapors in the past used to go in the atmosphere. You will be polluting. Another thing, your car will be less efficient because you will be using fuel in the form of vapor. And now guys, what is happening, actually the system is closed, and when the fuel tank builds enough pressure, it's going to open, and those gasoline fumes will come to the purge valve and then will be injected in the intake manifold, and they will burn through the engine. That will make your car more efficient and you will not pollute the atmosphere. So this is a purge control valve, super easy to remove and replace guys. You disconnect the wire, this hose here, and there is another hose that you disconnect from the intake manifold. We'll have the complete video on how to repair guys, please check it out guys. And that's what it is. Now if you guys want to see how to test one, we'll have a video as well coming soon, how to test purge control valve, so please subscribe to the channel guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.